We know the universe is expanding faster than it should be, but what's pushing it? That's the mystery of dark matter, a substance we can't see, but profoundly impacts everything we do see. Today, we'll explore what dark matter is, how we know it exists, and the mind-bending implications it has for our understanding of the cosmos. Understanding dark matter is crucial because it makes up roughly 85% of the universe's mass. Let's start with galaxies. When astronomers measured the rotation speeds of stars within galaxies, they found something bizarre. Stars on the outer edges were orbiting far too quickly to be held in place by the visible matter stars, gas, and dust. It was like a merry-go-round spinning so fast the riders should fly off, but they weren't. This suggested a hidden mass, exerting a gravitational pull, keeping everything together. This hidden mass is what we call dark matter. It doesn't interact with light, meaning it doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect it. We can't directly observe it with telescopes. Instead, we infer its presence through its gravitational effects on visible matter, like the bending of light around massive objects, a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. Now, here's a surprising fact: dark matter isn't just in galaxies, it forms a vast, invisible web throughout the universe. This cosmic web acts as a scaffolding, guiding the formation of galaxies and large-scale structures. But what is dark matter made of? That's the million-dollar question. Scientists are exploring possibilities like WIMPs and axions, but so far, no definitive answer. We'll delve into the search for these elusive particles next. The search for dark matter is a global effort, involving incredibly sensitive detectors buried deep underground to shield them from cosmic radiation. These detectors are designed to catch the incredibly rare interaction between a dark matter particle and ordinary matter. It's a painstaking process, but the potential reward, unlocking one of the universe's biggest secrets, is immense. So, to recap, dark matter is an invisible substance that makes up most of the universe's mass, influencing the rotation of galaxies and the structure of the cosmos. We can't see it directly, but its gravitational effects are undeniable, and scientists are actively searching for its true nature. If you found this exploration of dark matter fascinating, give this video a like and let us know what other cosmic mysteries you'd like us to unravel in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science.